Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Simple Car Guide channel. Today we are doing a simple air filter install on my BMW i3. Why, you may ask? Well, I got this car at auction and I have a reason to believe that this air filter hasn't been changed in probably, I don't know, 3-4 years or something like that. It's absolutely disgusting, and both of them are like that. So I'm going to be installing these nice new ones. That's the brand I got, and this is the model number. Of course, you can get BMW ones, but this is an OEM quality filter, so it should be just fine. These same filters also fit on Mini Coopers and BMW X1, X2, I think a couple of other cars. But let's get it installed and have some fresh air in my BMW i3. As is with a lot of things on a BMW i3, it's not as easy or straightforward as you may think. You will need a T20 Torx bit in order to remove these two bolts. Then we're going to remove this panel. We're going to move this out of the way, and then we'll finally be able to get to the filters all the way in that corner. It's not a very easy access, but it's definitely doable at home in probably less than 15 minutes. So let's do it. Okay, panel removed. Now the filter is actually all the way over there, so in order to get to that spot we need to move this back. So move the carpet back a little bit and move the insulation back as well, and then we need to remove this styrofoam piece so that gets out of the way, and that actually gives us a little bit more access to the filters. Let me get you a little bit closer and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so I brought you in a lot closer, and that's the cover that hides our filter. So it's going to be behind this cover right here. So I'm going to stick my hand in there. It's definitely a little bit awkward here and not a lot of space, but it should be doable. And now we have two filters that we need to pull out. It's almost like it's stuck. If yours has been changed in time, it shouldn't be this difficult, but I don't think mine has been changed in a couple of years. Oh, wow. And as hopefully you can see, there's actually another filter in there. So this system has two filters. You have to push this up. Push it up with your hand so it comes into the hole. Just like that. And then pull that one out as well. Oh, wow. And there are two filters. Let's put the new ones in. One important thing when installing these air filters is to make sure the airflow is in the correct direction, which is towards the back of the vehicle. So the arrow should point towards yourself, basically. But let's go ahead and try to install these now. So we're going to push the first filter in and then drop it down. Make sure it drops in evenly. Okay, that's dropped in. We're going to install the second filter the same way. Arrow pointing towards us, and the little handle is in the back. All right, the second filter is in. Now we can close the little door, make sure it clicks in place and it's latched. There it is. Done. Now we just gotta replace the panel. And we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope it helped you change the air filter on your BMW i3. And subscribe for more BMW i3 and other BMW videos. I'll see you in the next one.